Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a GE CleanSpeak dryer and you're getting an F010 error on the display and you're wondering what is this error and what do I need to do to fix it? So really all this error is, it's hardly an error, it's basically telling you, hey, you're trying to start the dryer but the dryer senses that there's nothing in it. So, you know, you might be trying to, for some reason, to run it empty, and it's not going to want to do that. It's going to just give you this error. So you might also get this error. It's possible you get this error if you have put very little things in there. Just put like a couple things in there. You might just need to add some more stuff to just give it a little bit more weight so that it senses that it's not empty. You know, if you've got a full load and you're getting this error and you've done a hard restart, then you're getting into potentially more serious issues in terms of there could be something wrong with the control board, sensing there's a problem when there's not. But basically, it's telling you that the dryer is empty.